Boy, that was hard in itself, just trying to line all the screws up. Each thing you do on a ceiling fan, it's like, man, that might be the hardest thing to do. And then the next thing and the next thing. Okay, all right. I think we're ready to try turning it on. And I guess that bottom power button is to turn it off, not to turn it on. To turn it on, you would just turn the 1, 2, or 3. And okay. You gotta push and hold for, a second. Okay, now it's not humming or anything. And see, without the blades on, it seemed like it was going fast on the number 1, which is just the bottom button that just has one little knob, and then 2 knobs, 3 knobs. That's probably slow. And then the next one is probably medium. And yeah, see, that's in the high mode. Look how fast that's going. And that's medium. And we're going to turn the light on. Make sure it works first off, huh? And see, oh, look at that. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, on, off. I'm going to push over on the far right to see if it will dim. Nope. Isn't that something? This one is only an on-off. It won't dim. The Fanimation ones that I installed, they gave you like 4 different settings. If you didn't like this color, there was kind of a bluish color, and then a bright white, and then a yellow white. This one, what you see is what you get. Okay, that's fine. If I was in this bedroom, needing to sleep in this bedroom, that light is fine. I don't really care about high, medium, low, dimming the light. I mean, if the light could be dimmed for ambiance when you're watching TV or something, you could do that, or just leave this light off. Leave the light off at night. Turn these lights on. Whatever. And those bulbs are single bulbs. You could get the bulb 1, 2, 3, where you click it and it goes high, medium, low, off. You could do something like that. Okay, but or you could put a dimmer, a 3-way dimmer switch on there if you wanted for those lights, because this is in fact a dimmer switch, a 3-way switch, because the other switch is behind that light. Okay, and you could put a dimmer switch on there if you wanted, right there. And they do have 3-way dimmer switches or single pole dimmer switches. Okay, so there you go. And to turn it off, I would just press this bottom button right here, and it's off. And I can just have the light on if I want, or not. And this one doesn't dim, like I say. So Harbor Breeze, I mean, they do an okay job. This is the Camden model. The Harbor Breeze is not as expensive as some ceiling fans. Now, granted, this ceiling fan is in our guest room, and we've only had one person sleep in here, my mother, for a few nights. And we've lived in this house for, I don't know, many years now, 5, 6, 7 years. Okay, one person, because most of the time they go downstairs and sleep down there. So this ceiling fan is not going to be used very often, but if and when we do have guests in the summer, we want this puppy to run. Okay, granted, we have air conditioning in the house. But if we have it turned off, or if we have it turned on low, or if somebody wants a little bit cooler in here, you turn the ceiling fan on and at least get the air moving around. And incidentally, that is the direction that you want the ceiling fan to go. That direction for the air to be forced directly down, okay? And if you have a hard time figuring that out for yourself, just turn your ceiling fan on and stand underneath it. Stand underneath it and see if you can feel that when it's on, okay? Then you know you got it set for summer. And for winter, if you want, you have to turn it the other way. Now some remotes has it right here, and even when you have the ceiling fan on, you can hit the remote, then it will slow down, slow down, slow down, almost stop, and then it will start going the opposite direction. I always thought you had to turn it off and then turn it on reverse and then turn it back on. For this one, you would have to do that because it's way up high. Remember, there's a little toggle up there, and you'd have to get up there in a ladder with the ceiling fan off, click it over the opposite direction, and then the blade will go the opposite way, okay? All right. We're almost done. I got a couple more things I want to tell you, and I'll do that next. Can you believe that? I got 1 minute left on my SIM card of this whole thing. I thought I'd had plenty of time, but hey, if I can do it, you can do it. Remember that.